Today in this video we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button 4. So let's just get into it. I don't have my face in, because if I do try to, what's gonna happen is, what the freak is happening? Is that my face won't show. What is happening? Guys. Guys. You have to do opposite things. Is this the walk button? I can't walk. Yo. Guys. Okay. Wait. Don't press the button 7. Okay, this one's better. I mean, I still can't walk. What is my settings right now? And then what is this other setting that I have on, guys? Wait. Okay, guys. Finally, we can play. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Okay. Make sure you don't get caught. Why don't I want to get caught by the police, though? Aren't the police nice? Yo, dodge. Can I slip through the bars? Don't get hit by missiles. I'll just stay in the middle. Is there gonna be a certain missile following me the whole time? I mean, if so, I'll just hurdle a missile. Yeah, I'll just hurdle my missile here. And I am faster than the missile. Bro, my missile stinks. Whoa! And the missiles are still here? Look at these. Wait, the missiles are still here. In the corner. Okay. Trampoline! Yo, wait. Abby. I got it. Like no one else. No one ever was. Touchdown is my real test. Train is my car. Everyone is small. She is not small. Oh, she just joined. Yo, look at this drifting I can do. Aw. Fight. Critical damage. Critical. Dang it. Okay, I did not do good at that fight, bro. Kitties? What just broke? I mean, I guess it's chill. It's not anything crazy. Just kitties. Why are there so much? Make it to the other side of noobs. I don't think this will be hard. And if I fall, yeah, my settings were off at the start of my game. Ding-a-ding-a-ding. Come on, they got this. They're gonna land with me. Come on, he's gonna land on me. What? Don't dodge the laser. Oh god! What am I doing? Can you stand on the thing? I was not touching that, by the way. Dancing dog. Huh? Wait, his shadow's right there, but then he's over here. I mean, it's cool, but I don't get it. Oh, okay. Okay. I see. We're doing this game. Oh. Okay. I just did that, didn't I? I'm gonna run out of room eventually. I just made that. Don't fall. Why not? What happens if I want to? Ooh. What if I'm on the falling one? What do I do? Yeah, but I'm about to fall though. These ones are gonna fall soon. Yeah, they're all cooked. Yeah, we're cooked. Yeah, we were cooked. Unless you somehow stay on that one. Space rocket, come on. Get me on it. Get me on. No, I fell. How is she still? It fell. I'm in the fire. Yo, it's the coffin dies, guys. I'm in the coffin. We're just chilling in a coffin. Okay. That was weird. Jeff the Killer! No! How about we get in here? How are they in the ground, though? They're gonna be the ones that survive. I can lay down. Go to sleep, buddy. Yeah. I was about to go up here with her. Okay, go. Oh my god. He's in the button. Speed run. Okay. Oh god. Wait, it's like pushing me one way. I'm supposed to go the other. Okay, that jump was kind of hard. I knew it would show who, like, is the winners of, like, the game. Yep, I quit this, bro. And they spawn you all the way over here, too. Stay fast. Get. Pizza. What's if I click on the pizza? Can I get a pizza? This is weird. Oh, my microphone is coming in 2 days. Maybe 1 day. So, yay. What the freak, bro? Go in his mouth. What? I thought we were supposed to go in his mouth, not get blasted by his mouth. I thought that thing was supposed to be the, like, die thing. Survive! We made it! Yeah, he's dead. They aren't dead. He's dead. I could have just stayed right here. Stinky. Get to the top. I'm falling, though. We all just died. That's so unfair. That was so unfair. I had to use most coins. What? Is he my, like, dude that watches my videos? If he is, then friend me. Earthquake. No, you can't do that, bro. He cheated. And it wouldn't let me cheat. It blasted me away. See, he's already at the top with his Luigi Mario brother. It's the Mario brother. It plummet the game. Okay, I guess they don't like me. I shall fight. Welcome to Simon Says. Run to the platform. Yes, already start. Simon Says. Run to the yellow. Oh no, your brother is gone. Run to another. Simon Says. White. Yeah, they're cooked. I mean, Simon Says brown. That was actually close. Simon Says. Oh, yeah. Watch out for the meteorite. What? Wait, the meteorites wouldn't fall in the middle. If they did, then why would they? Yeah, why would they fall in the middle? Everyone, get in the middle. Get in the middle. Now we just wait, I guess. Think fast. Oh, yo. Jump! See, I thought fast. She didn't. What's that name? Iskiske. Career. You can't touch the rocks? Bro, I barely even touched the rock and then I just died. Bro, I skimmed the rock and then it... What? Yeah, bro, this is so freaking... like... gay. Bro, I beat it. What? Wait, no, it's gonna flashbang out. Watch out for the wall. Bro, I'm slower than I should be now. Ah! Roar! 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 Yeah! Let's go. Wait. Oh, no, fight. Fight. Oh, fight. What? What? Bro, come fight. Hit me. Okay, bro. What? Bro? So unfair. Okay. Get hit, buddy. I'm gaining my health and they're dying. Stop it. First one to peanut butter jelly done. Peanut butter jelly done. What? What's happening? That was just too. Hurry, get to the green platform. What happens if I don't, buddy? Get to the other side. We already did this, so I think that's gonna be it for today's video. When I beat this, I wanna be a noob. I'm gonna be a noob trying to beat a noob obby. Yeah, that's a noob beating a noob. Whoa! Noob beating a noob. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's a good idea. A noob beating a noob. Okay, let me see what this next one. Alien Invasion. Hey, I haven't done this one. Peanut butter jelly done. Peanut butter jelly done. Peanut butter jelly done. Will I get invaded? Whoa. Whoa. Come after me. I am not one of you. I am a noob. Okay, let's do a couple more. Rocks! Watch out for rocks. Rock! Yeah! I found the map! Wait, can you get on here, right? Yeah. Ding, 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 ding. Cross the street safely. A car, I jumped on the car and I died. This life don't make no sense. Ah, yeah. You lost, buddy. Get hit by a car. Bang! A skis? What? I thought you were a boy. And a duck walk off to 11:07. He said to speed run. Okay, that's it for today's video. See you all next time. Peace.